So if we look at some of the squares here, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, and 9 times 9, 81. Ask, well, how far is this square going to be from the one after 10 times 10? How far apart are they going to be? Remember we said it was going to be 4 times 10 different. And so we look and we say, well, why is that? Well, from 9 times 9 to the next square is 9 plus 9 plus 1. So remember, if you're building a square, if this is a side 9, to get to the 10 by 10, you add 9 plus 9 plus 1. So it'll be 19 more. And then from the 10 by 10 to the 11 by 11 is 10 plus 10 plus 1, 21 more. And that's the pattern, right? Okay, so altogether, then how do you get 4 tens? Well, there's already 1 10 and 2 10 here. If we take the 1 and put it with this one, 10, 9, we get a 10. This one, and there's our 4 tens. So they're 4 tens apart, so plus 40. So 81 plus 40 equals 11 times 11, 121. The next one's going to be plus 80, so it'll be 64 plus 80 is 144. The next one will be 49 plus 120, 169, and then next one will be 160 apart, so 36 plus 160 equals 196. And so we can fit, so once you know these, you can keep adding up. Next one will be 200, 240, etc.